just came out a little. But yeah, it's windy as heck, and it's been like this since last night. And it's so cold you can't even breathe.
No,
okay.
Over here.
Oh, I can't even breathe right now. Okay. We're sitting cold, thinking to go by the tree. Try to get I don't know, try to get some. I need to go buy something to get something. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you real quick what it looks like, and then I'm probably gonna go. Oh, there's a sandbar over there. You can't really see, but you can like. I don't want to step on this thing because if I do, then I'll probably yeah. Oh gosh, I'm getting wet.